Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, plug the phone in and unlock it so nothing sleeps mid-process. Open Settings, then tap Network and Internet. Use the Settings search if your menu differs. Once on that screen, make a quick note of any Wi-Fi SSIDs you need. You can sync passwords to your account, but a manual note prevents surprises. Make sure you have your device PIN or pattern ready, because you will confirm identity before reset changes occur. Now find Reset Network Settings. Tap Advanced or System, then choose Reset options. Menu labels vary by phone. Once found, select Reset Network Settings and read the summary. It lists Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth changes. Make sure you understand that saved networks and paired devices will be removed. When ready, confirm your identity by entering the device PIN, password, or using biometrics. This step prevents accidental. Tap Reset and let the device apply the network changes. It happens quickly and returns you to the settings home. Once done, reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks by selecting SSID and entering the password, repair Bluetooth devices, and verify mobile data is functioning. If a connection still fails, reboot the phone and, if needed, toggle airplane mode on for 30 seconds then off. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting step is to check APN settings with your carrier. Make sure values match their public.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.